In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable Tap to Wake on your iPhone. Tap to Wake is a convenient feature that allows you to wake up your iPhone screen simply by tapping on it. It eliminates the need to press the physical power button. This feature can be especially useful in situations where your power button is not working properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, under the Physical and Motor section, tap Touch. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Tap to Wake feature. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to it. And now you've successfully enabled Tap to Wake on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.